Good morning, viewers. Today, again, I am welcoming you to my Venus Vedic Astrology. This is the 11th session that I am going to sharing the knowledge with you. This is again I am with you. This is 11. I am here to tell you about the 11th house. And what is 11th house? 11th house is the house of gains, associates, brothers, sisters, siblings, friends, wish fulfillment. So these are the things that 11th house occupies. See, what is the 11th house? Means the house which the lagna is there. No, from the lagna we have to count from lagna to 11th house. There is the 12th house in the Rashi chart, and in that 11th house indicate the house of gains. It is totally its main intention or main concentration of this house is gains. So here this 11th house gives gains. It is also indicate associates, it indicate brothers and sisters, and also it indicate the friends, and mainly it tells about the wish fulfillment. The ambitions and wishes is there, no? That ambitions and wishes will be fulfilled if the 11th house is strong enough. So particularly in the 11th house, whatever the planets which comes in the 11th house is considered as a good. Whatever that 11th house is, that means to say either it is good or natural benefic planets or the malefic planets. Whoever here plays very good role. Here you see the what you call from if good planets, natural benefics, which are the natural benefic planet, that is Jupiter, Venus, Moon, are considered as the naturally benefic planets. If they are in the 11th house, you will get a profit or gains through the what you call society accepted manners. If you are having malefic planets such as what you call Mars, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and all those things means sometimes you will get wealth many sources, and sometimes it is naturally accepted. That means to say it is sometimes coming from means to say naturally accepted manner. It won't come from the what you call hard work. It just come through you through the what you can call it is illegal also. Sometimes it can come through the illegal means also. That means to say one has to see is the 11th lord particularly. That 11th lord must be well placed. If it is well placed with any one of the natural benefic planets and in Kendra or Trikona means, certainly you will have a very great gains. If you are 11th house having, even is having malefic house such as Rahu, Ketu, Mars also means some of the benefic house planet having aspect over the 11th house means then the malefic effects of the what you call malefic planet is going to be nullified, and you will having a good impact in the 11th house. So if the more planets are in the 11th house, you will get more profit. If you are having what you call not having any planets in the 11th house means you are any benefic planet having aspect over this this place also will give gains. So here who are the karakas of the 11th house means 11th house having the two karakas, one is Jupiter, another one is Saturn. See, Jupiter usually wherever he places he will make that house to be grow. So here in the 11th house, Jupiter usually having the qualities of growing one's knowledge, wealth, whatever. So that is why that 11th house having the Karaka of Jupiter. When Saturn also, why it is 11th house is given to him means in the Rashi chart, 11th sign Aquarius having a lordship of that Saturn, so is indicated, and he what do you call, whatever the gain that we will get from the 11th house, if the Saturn is well placed, that gains will be sustained for a long time. That is what that Saturn indicate. And then here some people are asking us when we will get a bonus, when we will get an increment, when we will get unexpected gain. Means whenever the 11th lord having what you call associated with the benefic planets in a Kendra or Trikonas or in the 11th house, any one of the benefic planet is transiting, means during that time you will get a bonus, increment and lottery, unexpected gains, and all those things. And here whoever the planets, whatever the planets that means to say either malefic or benefic planet placed here, they will certainly make you to get gains from one or another resources. That is why you have to that in your chart the many planets who are they are in there in the 11th house, means you will get much more benefits. But you have to see the ground rules, that is that debilitation, exaltation, and what do you call some means to say malefic aspect, and all those things also you have to give importance. Then only you have to give proper prediction about the 11th house. And you see sometimes for example if Mars is placed in that that 11th house, means that Mars is debilitated there in the what do you call Cancer. If that 11th yours 11th house happens to be 4th, that means Cancer, means there Mars is there, means Mars usually will become weak there. So during that time you will give income but not that much. Why? Because he himself is weak enough, then how can he will give gains to you? That is how you have to see the ground rules also, primary rules of the astrology, then you have to predict. That is what my analysis about the 11th house. Thank you very much friends. Namaskar.